Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Acura MDX oil light. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the service center. We'll walk through each step clearly, ensuring you can confidently manage your vehicle's maintenance reminders. You'll learn how to navigate your dashboard display and confirm the reset, keeping your MDX running smoothly. First, make sure your Acura MDX engine is not running. You'll then turn the ignition to the on position. If your vehicle has a push-button start, press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. This action illuminates your dashboard lights, preparing the display for the next steps without engaging the engine. Next, find the Select/Reset button, often on your dashboard or steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly until your multi-information display shows the engine oil life percentage. For some models, you might use steering wheel controls to scroll to vehicle settings, and then select maintenance information to find the oil life display. Now, with the oil life displayed, press and hold the Select/Reset button for approximately 10 seconds. The display will then enter a reset mode. Use your steering wheel's scroll or up and down buttons to highlight reset or all due items. Then press the Select/Reset button again to confirm. Your oil life indicator should now show 100%, confirming a successful reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.